Great job. Time to get this little campsite ready. So I'm gonna be using these little cubbies right here and putting them up here on that little ledge in order to give us some organization, and so that we don't have to keep going in our storage space under there or under the bed in order to get our stuff out. Okay, so this is a little bit more of a lived-in view of the camper. I got those cubbies up top from Amazon. They came in 3 sizes. I believe I got the smallest one, but I'm not sure. I have to check the dimensions on them. I wanted to use these so that we wouldn't have to keep going into the storage under the bed or in the dinette area to get clothes and everything. I kind of wanted everything out. So everything is out. PJs, toiletries, everything. And they're all split up between me, my husband, and Cielo. And we're able to just do that. That little bag to the right is like some dirty stuff. But this worked out really well so that we could just live out of these cubbies during our trip. And then these 2 little baskets that I got from Home Goods actually have like our chargers, any electronic stuff, rings, watches, just to keep the space a little bit neater. It's very, very easy to get cluttered in a space that's this small. So this is some of the organization stuff that I did.